Sure folks, so we're on private property here. And then
That's
said,
you might want to ask a question if they left the gate out of the house.
said he's down Portland chasing Turner anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but you've had people in the last people who drove in are country folk. They might have left the gate wide fucking open.
What are we doing here?
Digging it
Digging,
up.
digging the keyhole roast.
Dealing with the water.
Digging the keyhole roast. I'll get the coals up and scrape them out.
Right, where is my...
Down the channel. Gonna cook in here and over here in the lamb. A few Dutch ovens, a few camp ovens, a few veggies, and a few crays. A few crays, hell yeah. Alright, so we just pulled in here. Step 2 already, how about that? Alright, not bad, middle of winter, Victoria, 15 degrees, bevy time. Sure, so what the plan is, we're gonna put the boat in. We've got the boat here with all the kids. Timmy cutting up the wood. Got the crab pots here. Chirp to the chirp!
Alright, well, you have a very good night. Sorry I can't be there, but I'll see you soon.
Want me to put it on? Is that enough
Easy,
room?
mate. Give Shell a big fat kiss from me. Alright, see you, big fella.
You haven't done.
Oh, it's not bad. Private boat ramp here on the Goulburn, back on the Goulburn. Old power fish coming down here. So it's Murray crayfish season, so we're putting the pots out. Gonna check it all night. This is the first time Murray crayfishing.
I've got to check the fuel tanks open.
First time Murray crayfishing, so let's hope we get a couple. I think the limit's like 2 per person, so that's plenty. See how we go. Yep. Bye.
shit.
It's holding up.
Yeah, it just means it's too deep. Like it's
Whoa. Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa.
she gone.
Oh. Got a hook or something?
Nah, she gone.
Where those bubbles are.
Yeah, nah, she gone.
Oh, what
That
the
would be a
hell?
good one to get on footage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Okay,
So we underestimated the depth of that. Pot sunk like a motherfucker.
put this on and see if it's sounding.
These floats aren't the best.
Yep, go. Yeah, see that one's alright.
Yeah, that feels better. Yeah, definitely.
Still got a few rounds left on the.
Yep. And
Yep.
now that's just a bit of a.
How is it?
It doesn't feel too tight, but then. Number 4. Number 5. And number 10. So just pulling into camp after dropping those pots. Didn't drop them too far from camp, only a couple 100 meters up, which is good. Check them in an hour. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but a couple of the crab pots are floating. They shouldn't be floating, so that's no good. Crab pots, crayfish pots. It's a net that catches a crab or a crayfish. And these ones are floating.
These ones are alright.
Yeah, those ones are solid. Probably can't see, but these ones, if you can see those two little floaties, are floating and moving with the current. So we're going to have to do something about that. It'd have been good. Okay, here are the two bloody lone crab pots that are floating.
Oh, the old Tony Abbott shirt front.
Commercial quantities of firewood here.
Hi, Uncle Dave. I'm here.
Sure folks, so the update. We've put the pots out, the crayfish pots, Murray crayfish. I always think I'm going to say Murray cod, but it's actually the Murray crayfish. Got the swag set up here, tails. Oh. There's this one, my oldest. Around.
Here you go, mate. Some few veggies for us.
Oh, wee.
So, look at this, Shannon. Pumpkin.
Ooh, yeah. That's what we got going on over here.
That's right.
Veg.
Yeah, so the lamb's going in that tub.
Oh, and we've got a lamb going to.
fresh from the butchers.
Freshly harvested. Ask Curtis Stone. This is your finest.
Yep, old Stoney, he would agree. He's on that money. He'll he'll agree. All right, that pays the bills. And we're sitting back, and we're going to check the pots pretty soon. So
Yep.
stay tuned and see how this all turns out.
Now, do you want me to score it there? Yeah, radical. Have you salted and everything?
Yep, she's good.
So what we're going to do with this one, mate, we're just going to literally wrap it in foil.
Yep.
Like thick like old Uncle Tim's penis.
Oh yes, grader. They don't call you the grader for nothing.
Old dozer.
Old dozer.
There's the lamb all wrapped up. And we've still got to check the crays. Plenty of action on the Goulburn. Private property. Private property here. Cows over there. River right there. Sure. That's the lamb.
The lamb. The Mozzie style. The Mozzie.
Oh yeah, that's Mozzie Hungy style.
Can I stop there, Timmy?
Pork. Poaka. The poaka. Beautiful.
Oh, those are good ones.
You trust yourself, alright? We'll get a new karaoke partner, mate. You're all by yourself.
First pull on the cray pots, so let's see how we go.
Really
Got the kids with us.
the last time we went out camping.
Alright, first pot, here we go. Mitch is on the pull.
Nada.
And Donata. Back in. Alright. First spot, no good, but we got 10 in. Actually, we got like 12.
That's
So,
it. No, they're us. Oh, they're us too.
so at the next one.
That is massive. That is really decent.
I'm
Sit down on your bum, boy.
Shannon, you've got the measure under your foot.
That's a keeper for sure.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, like shits it in.
No, you got to go to the eyeball to the carapace. No, past the.
Yeah, you go from there.
No,
That's shits it. No, it literally
yeah,
shits
but what's the 12 for?
No, yeah, it's
Oh, maximum.
They only pinch you if you hurt
Yep.
them.
So he's not bigger than 12, and he is bigger than 10. So that's rope out of.
okay, so we're on the board. That's one from 2.
Left.
Good off.
Perfect, Jonathan. Now rip.
We got one. We
Rip,
got
son,
another
rip.
one. I agree that we get another one.
Hell.
I think we do.
Oh, he was cute! Holy shit! It was a monster! Catch him! Try to rake him in! Try to rake him in!
Let it drop. Let it drop to the bottom.
Holy shit!
Fucking massive.
That was a fucking... Don't worry about it. Shit! Oh!
That's
it was... Oh crap! It
That's
just...
because it's nearly. That's because there's a
Yeah,
hole in the
look
bottom.
at that.
If there wasn't a hole in the bottom, we would have been right.
Okay, so that one got out through a hole in the net, but we fixed that, and that was a bloody stonker. So then we got a next pot. Let's go.
We've got two last friends.
Another one.
Guys, stay here.
This one's going back there.
Yeah, it looks definitely. Ah! Okay, this is going back.
Throw it back. Give it a kiss.
Yeah.
Oh, the screen just went
No,
black.
don't put it back. No. There's another one.
Yes. Oh, come on! The hole's in the net. Hole in it.
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, brother, we're set for the night.
Those are the ones that have...
I hope we get another one. I don't know.
Nothing. Damn it.
Look at the holes in the
Oh, look
side.
at the hole in it.
Yeah, put it at the front of the boat.
There's one. Oh, he's about to fall out.
Ah! That's a boy, definitely.
It is a boy.
He's a small boy.
Just giant yabbies, eh?
Giant, prehistoric looking monsters.
They're pretty much just like...
Wow!
Well, we got nowhere else to put it except the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was a bit suspect.
Now we'll be off his head for a while.
That's an underground roach, boys.
100. And you can't spill it on me this time.
While up camp oven.
That's a decent one.
Yeah.
About the size you got before.
It's legal, but yeah, she's a chick.
Female. Yeah.
We can't. Yeah, males. You have to go.
And berry, oh yes. Caviar.
Shipwrego.
Briggo. She sure is Briggo.
Silly little hole.
It's going back.
Straight over.
That's a good size, eh? I've got a good feeling about it, huh?
Oh yes.
Yep. All right.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. And berry.
Is it?
I don't know. He's got his nipper into me. Yeah, he's keep up.
Yep. There you go.
Yoo-hoo!
So just up the front.
This one?
Yep. The one underneath the big one.
Like triple.
Damn.
No.
Damn.
It got him!
Number 2.
Okay, ready? Give me an hour. Now do it up.
Alright, those that want dinner.
Female. Big female.
What would it do if I pad?
Oh yeah, gonna have a bit of a cook up, cook these greys, see how they go. All right, cleaned up, ready for the coals. Nice.
only one that's happened to find there.
Really nice. So, if you've gotten this far, thank you. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheer to the chair. Peace.